In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block spam emails on Microsoft Outlook. This walkthrough uses the new Outlook experience, and it's a simple way to keep unwanted messages out of your inbox without setting up complicated rules. Start by opening Outlook, then look to the top right corner of the window. Click the gear icon to open settings. A panel will appear on the right. In that panel, select Mail to open the mail-specific options. From there, choose Subscriptions. This page pulls together senders that Outlook recognizes as newsletters, promotions, and recurring email sources so you can manage them all in one place. Take a moment to browse the list and locate the sender you want to block. If you receive a lot of mail, the list can be long, so scroll carefully and match the sender name to the emails you've been getting. When you find the right one, look to the far right side of that row. You'll see an unsubscribe button, and right next to it, a three-dot menu. Click the three dots to open additional options for that sender. From the menu that appears, click Block. Outlook will show a confirmation message explaining that future messages from the sender will be blocked. In practice, this means their emails won't land in your inbox going forward, helping you keep things clean and focused. It doesn't delete messages you've already received, but it stops new ones from getting through. Before you proceed, take a second to confirm you selected the correct sender, especially if there are lookalike names. When you're confident, click OK to finalize. That's it. The block takes effect immediately, and there's nothing else you need to configure. If you still receive messages that look similar, the sender might be using multiple addresses. Simply repeat the same process for those additional addresses if needed. A quick tip on choosing between unsubscribe and block. Unsubscribe is ideal for legitimate newsletters you no longer want because it asks the sender to remove you from their list. Block is more assertive and prevents messages from reaching your inbox at all, which is useful for persistent or unwanted senders. Layouts can change slightly as Outlook updates, but the path stays the same. Open Settings, select Mail, go to Subscriptions, click the three dots next to the sender, choose Block, and confirm with OK. And that's how to block spam emails on Microsoft Outlook using the new Outlook. If you found this helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to our channel, and tap the notification bell so you never miss our latest tips.